As a digital marketer, you know the struggle. There is so much data and so little time. But with AI, you can analyze data quickly and accurately. AI powered chatbots can handle customer inquiries, provide personalized recommendations, and even make sales. What's more, AI can also help you create more effective email campaigns with personalized messages based on customer behavior and engagement. AI powered SEO tools can help you optimize your content for maximum impact. AI can help you forecast future trends and identify opportunities for growth. With AI, you can work smarter and not harder. I hope you enjoyed this content. Save and follow Rethink Media for more updates.